Assalamualaikum student. Today's our topic is charge. What is charge? We know that the atoms are made up of smaller particles. These are atoms and the dots are shows that they are smaller particles. These smaller particles made up of the atom. The smaller particle make up the atoms are called, these particles are called proton, neutron or electron. These smaller particles are called proton, neutron or electron. Almost all the atom made up of these three particles, proton, neutrons and electron. And now understand what is charge. To understand this, we conduct an experiment in our head involving these three particles. Let's do a thought experiment. If you will keep two protons close to each other, they will find that for some reason these two protons are repel each other. These two protons are repel each other. Similarly, if you put the two electrons close to each other, you find that these two electrons push each other away and they repel each other. However, if you keep the proton and electron close to each other, you will find that they will attract each other. Now we may wonder, well, what causing these protons and electrons to attract and repel each other? People thought or people guessed that these protons and electrons have something that causing this. That's something that proton and electron possess, because of which they repel and attract each other, is what we called as charge. More formally, it called as electric charge. The force that exists between these particles in which they attract or repel each other, this is force of electricity. If somebody asks what is electric charge, then it's simple, something that proton and electron possess, which cause them to attract or repel each other. You notice that if you take like particles such as protons, they are repel each other. If you take unlike particles such as proton or electron, they are attract each other. Maybe the proton have one kind of charge and the electron have another kind of charge. So kind of charge that proton possess are named as positive charge, and the kind of charge that electron is possess is now named as negative charge. This is negative charge. This is positive charge. So like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. So protons have positive charge and electron. Now what about the neutron? You may ask, neutron do not participate in any of this force, that is force of attraction or force of repulsion. If you keep a neutron close to proton that have positive charge and keep a neutron close to electron that have negative charge, you find that there is no force. From this you can guess that neutron does not have the anything that is called charge, so it is neither positive nor negative. So we may call it is a neutron is a neutral particle. Its charge is 0. That is why neutron is called neutral particle because its charge is 0. Now discuss what about an atom. Atom is a charged particle. You might think, yeah, it is a charged particle because atom is made up of the protons and neutrons and electrons. Atom is made up of these three particles: proton, neutrons and electrons. Protons have a positive charge, electrons have a negative charge. Because of this, atom also have a charge, but the total charge on the atom is total charge on the atom will 0 because the proton have positive charge and electrons have negative charge, and every single atom has equal number of protons and electrons. So atom has also no charge, so we called it, so atom also neutral particle. For example, if you take a hydrogen atom, it has one proton and one electron. So proton have plus charge and the electron has minus charge. Together you get 0. If you take a carbon atom, carbon has 6 protons and 6 electrons. 6 proton and 6 electron. Together you get 0. So atom is a neutral. So atom is neutral particle because it has equal number of protons and electrons.